Good afternoon, Lorena.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay. I'm Lorena Medina, 43 years old, married with two sons, which is 23 and 17 years old. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the youngest. I'm Catholic and high school graduate.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of high salary, and I want to support my family for their needs for the schools, and I want to give them a good future.
Okay. Do you have domestic experience?
Yes, ma'am, in Lebanon and Mongolia.
Okay. How many years?
In Lebanon, 2 years, and then Mongolia is 2.5.
Okay. What is your main duties there?
In Lebanon, nanny and domestic helpers.
How many children do you take care?
2, ma'am, 5 years old, 2 years old.
5 years old and?
2 years old.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will ask you some question. If your prospective employer cannot provide you Sunday off, is it okay for you?
Yes.
Any kind of drug, food, or detergent you have allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pets like dog or cat?
No.
Okay. Are you prepared to follow your rules and regulation?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes.
Okay, Lorena, what are the qualities of being good domestic helper?
Being good domestic helper, ma'am, I must be honest, respectful to my employer, 100% patient to the kids,
Okay.
and I must know how to follow the rules and regulation.
Okay. Do you have any message to your prospective employer?
Good morning, ma'am, sir. If you want to choose me, I will promise to do my best to follow your rules and regulation and to finish my contract. And hopefully, want to see you soon.
Okay. Thank you.